This past weekend as a family, and on the way back home, we passed a winery and decided to stop in. We went in, they were giving away a free sample of one of their wines. And after sampling a few of them, I'd spent $140 that I wasn't planning on spending. So, yes, I know impulse buy, whatever it might be, but their marketing strategy was an in real life perfect example of a lead magnet and what I teach about that in my Get Leads and Clients program. So, what is a lead magnet? It is something of value that you give in exchange for an email address. In most cases, for the clients that I serve, it's a piece of content. It can be a checklist or a cheat sheet or a video or something like that. And the best lead magnets, especially for service based businesses, will address a prospect's pain. So, it's going to solve a problem that they have. And when you place it on your website visitors will give you their name and email address to get it. So let's relate this back to the wine tasting. They were giving away a free sample of one of their wines in exchange for joining their email list. If we signed the guest book, we could get the free sample. This was the gateway into their marketing funnel. And after we signed up and we got our free sample, they said, hey, if you would like to do the sampling of 10 of our wines, you can do that today for a discounted price of whatever. And so it was less money than what it would be if we came in on a different night because it was our first night there. This is an upsell. So we will talk about these one-time offer upsells in a future video. It's a little bit more of an advanced marketing technique, but I wanted to tell you about the winery experience we had and how this can help you as it relates to growing your business. So your marketing assignment for today is if you don't have a lead magnet, I'd love you to spend some time. It doesn't have to be a lot of time, maybe an hour, and think about what problem you have for your ideal clients that you can solve. The best kind of lead magnets are like cheat sheets, templates, checklists, things like that are quick and easy for you to make and quick and easy for them to use and get results. So that's your marketing tip today. Hope this was helpful. Pop in the Facebook group. Let me know what you think of this. The Facebook group is called Get Leads and Clients. If you're not a member, go ahead, go there, click the join button, and we'll let you in. If you haven't seen the masterclass, be sure to check that out. I've got a link below. In the masterclass, I show you our three-phase process for helping our clients get a marketing system that grows their business on demand by helping to generate leads and clients. And then if you would like some one-on-one help, we do have an opportunity to schedule a website and marketing strategy session. Go ahead and click the button. It's a totally no obligation call, but it'll give us an opportunity to talk to you and see what's going on in your business and what you might be struggling with. And if we can help, we'll let you know. So thanks so much for listening. Until next week, happy marketing.